The Sherpa Original Deluxe Pet Carrier is a fantastic choice for pet owners who frequently travel by plane, as it is designed to meet the in-cabin requirements of most major airlines. Its unique spring wire frame allows the rear of the carrier to be pushed down, ensuring it fits comfortably under airplane seats without compromising on your pet's space. With mesh panels for ventilation and locking zippers for added security, your pet can travel comfortably and safely whether you're on a plane, car, or train. The carrier's design includes both top and side entry options, making it easy to load and unload your pet, while the padded shoulder strap adds an extra level of comfort for the owner. It also features a large side zippered pocket for storing pet travel essentials and a removable machine-washable faux lambskin liner for easy cleaning. The Sherpa Original Deluxe Pet Carrier is not only practical but also stylish, offering a perfect blend of functionality and design for pet parents on the go.